If you've ever dealt with roof leaks in more than one spot, you know how frustrating that can be. This home in Farragut's Foxton neighborhood had leaks throughout the roof, so it was time for a complete solution instead of another temporary fix. As you can see in these before photos, the roof had reached its end of service life. One of the biggest problem areas was along the back of the home, where the existing flashing wasn't keeping out water like it should. We replaced the entire roof with CertainTeed Landmark Pro shingles in Max Def Pewter, giving the home a fresh, clean look that fits the style of the neighborhood. We also fabricated custom rail flashing systems along the back of the home to protect those vulnerable transitions and stop water intrusion. The difference speaks for itself. The new roof completely changes the appearance of the home, and more importantly, gives the homeowners confidence that the leaks have been addressed the right way. If your roof has recurring leaks, or if you're tired of wondering where the next drip will show up, we'd be happy to take a look and show you exactly what's going on.